Hello, good afternoon. So in here, what we are going to do today that we will talk about the reverse shell. Okay, and so we know that what is reverse shell, right? I mean, reverse shell is a type of a shell connection which will initiated by a target system to a remote machine. So in contrast, I mean, if you try to compare with the bind shell, where the attacker's machines waits for the target to connect. So in a reverse shell scenario, the target system actively connect back to the attacker machine, right? So here we can see that we have a two machine, the attacker machine and the target machine. So in this reverse shell, what we will do that the target system is actively connects back to the attacker machine. The target system, this one will connect to the attacker machine, okay, and this connection allows attacker to gain a command line access to the target machine. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so this is our IP address. Okay, so what we can do that we can copy this IP address and minimize it. Let's open another terminal and let's what we can do now, let's run an nmap scan against the target IP. Okay, so we can see that these are the ports that are open right now. Okay, so we have discovered the multiple ports are open. So now we will run nmap again to determine the version information on the port 80. Okay, so we need to know the version of the port 80. So for that one, the command will be nmap. This one is capital V, and then we need to specify the specific port, which is 80, and the target IP address. Okay, so let's enter. See, here we can see the service version, which is a bad blue HTTPD 2.7, right? Okay, so now what we can do that we will search the exploit module. We'll search the exploit module for bad blue HTTPD 2.7 using the search exploit. Okay, so let's type search exploit bad blue 2.7. Okay, so there is a Metasploit module for the bad blue server. Okay, so we can see the Metasploit module here. This one. Okay, which is a pass-through buffer overflow. This is the Metasploit module for bad blue server. Okay, so now let's do one thing. Let's open the MSF console. Okay, we are going to open the MSF console and then we will exploit this one. Okay, in here we can also do the search as well. Search bad blue HTTPD. Okay, so let's see. We can specify the 2.7. So here we have seen the version number. Okay, So now what we can do that we can use the exploit, this one, and then Windows HTTP and bad blue pass through. Okay, so this one we need to do this one. So let's set the R host, okay, which is our target IP address is this one. Okay, so let's copy this target IP address and paste it over there, and then we can press enter. Okay, and then now we can type exploit. Okay, so let's see. So we have successfully exploited the target vulnerable application bad blue and received a Metapeta shell. Okay, so now what we need to do that we need to search the flag. Okay, so for that one, and we can see this one. We'll go to the directory and you can see there is a flag. Okay, so what we can do that we can, if you type flag.txt, you will get these details. Okay, so this is one. So that's how you can do the reverse shell, okay, to the target machine from the attacker machine. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.